Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my first day of beauty school, I think is probably what you'd call it. I am not actually going to be going to uni, or I may do in the future, I'm not 100% sure, but as of right now, my plans are to go to beauty school and learn about the special effects, makeup, all this stuff for film and TV. So that'll be really fun, and the course starts today. So I wanted to do a really quick first day of school, get ready with me type of video for you guys. I'll just fill you guys in with what I've done so far. I've pretty much just done my regular skincare routine, which I don't actually think I've got a video on, but I can do one in the near future. But today I've just used an exfoliator on my face, and then some moisturizer, and then some some facial oil over the top, just on like the points, like under, yeah, that's that. So yeah, let's just get started. I just wet my beauty blender. My beauty blender here is actually really gross and I need to get another one, but this one is just from Morphe, and I think it's called the Contour and Highlight Sponge or something like that. I'm not sure, it's just a beauty blender. So I'm just going to start off by using my eyelash curler and just curling my lashes a little bit. So after I've done that, I will then move on to foundation or BB cream or whatever. Usually I just do BB cream, but because this is from 9 till 5, I want a little bit of coverage. It's just going to stay on a little bit better. So I will just be using the Fit Me Maybelline foundation in the Dewy and Smooth in 220. So I'm just going to use a little bit and put it on the back of my hand. And then I'll take the Maybelline Dream Matte BB cream with salicylic acid, I've never known how to pronounce that, in light to medium. And I just do a little bit of that on top. And then I'll mix it together with and then I'll mix, sorry, it's like 7 o'clock, not even 7 o'clock, it's like 6:30 right now. I woke up at 5:30. And then I'm just gonna mix it together with my beauty blender and just start applying. I'm gonna get so much hate for like pulling at it, but to be honest, it's fast. And now, since we've just been in the stage of just applying our base, I'm just going to apply a little bit of Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Gloss. Just so that I get that base for my lips. Yeah, and then I'm just going to go in with the Morphe Mini Bronzer in Debutante. I remember mentioning this in one of my other videos, and I probably mispronounced it, and I'm probably still mispronouncing it because I still have no idea. But yeah, it just looks like this. It's well used now. I use it every single day. But yeah, it's super good. And then I use the Morphe, just like a Morphe mini brush from one of their travel kits. I'm pretty sure I mentioned both of these products in one of my other videos, so I'll link them down below if you guys are interested in looking at that. But yeah, both of these are really good products. They're super small as well, so they're good for traveling. But yeah, just kind of dab it in, and then just kind of honestly just like brush it in very light circular motions. Just kind of going down and up, along and under the cheekbone. Because I don't really want this to be like a contour as such, just more as like a bronzing the face.
Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light is.
And then I'm just going to bring this again just up along my hairline. like that. And then very, very lightly dab it and just focus it on the bottom half of my nose. And a lot of people may ask why I use such a big brush for when I do my nose, and honestly I just like it better than using like a tiny brush because I find that it separates the powder a lot better on my nose from when I use like a small brush. I find that it kind of like clumps the product and makes it a lot harder to blend. So yeah, I don't know, this makes it a lot easier for me. But yeah, so after I've done that, I then usually just go back in with my beauty blender and just kind of soften the edges of what I just did. And honestly, I kind of go over it just a little bit. Like, I just really want to make it super natural. Like, I don't want it to kind of stand out too much. And then I'll just take a little bit of the Fit Me Maybelline concealer. Hi.
Okay.
And I'll just kind of dot it there and there. And this just makes it kind of a lot easier to pull it out. That's as if it's like, if it's not really blending very well. I'll usually do this, and that's because it's not blending very well right now. But yeah, and then I kind of focus it like underneath the nose too, just because I find that I get a lot of redness there. And after I've done that, I then go in, I usually go in with the Laura Mercier translucent finishing powder or something like that, whatever it's called. But I just found that because I ran out of that, and Australia and New Zealand don't sell it because it's not a cruelty-free product, which I'm not all about. But I decided to try out this one by Thin Lizzy. It's just called the Miracle Air Finishing Powder or something like that. I don't know, I'll read the back of it. But yeah, I pretty much just use this Real Techniques brush and I just apply it underneath my eyes just to make sure I don't get any creasing. And then along my lash lines as well, because I crease really, really bad. Especially when I have foundation on, it's not fun. So yeah, just apply this to my face and also a little on my chin. And then I also like it to just diffuse the bronzer a little bit. Like, yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it just pulls it out a little bit more. And also, since I put the foundation on my eyelids as well, I'm also just going to use a little bit on a mini blending eyeshadow brush by Morphe and just kind of make sure that it doesn't crease during the day. And then after I've done that, I'm then going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Brown Brow Powder Duo. I have had so many problems reading that out. And yeah, it just looks like this, and I've had this for so long, and I use it pretty much every day. But yeah, so there's just a lighter taupe shade and then like a soft brown just on the edge. But basically, I'm also going to be using this brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills as well, in number 12. But it's super dirty, it's kind of really gross. But yeah, so basically I'm just going to be brushing my eyebrows down just like this, and then I'm just going to be going in with the lighter taupe shade and just kind of following the tops of my eyebrow. And then after I've done that, I'm just going to very, very lightly use the spoolie brush and just kind of make it a less intense arch. Yeah, and then I'm just going to brush it up so that all the hair is going the same way. Just like that. And then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. This stuff's really good. I'm actually almost out of this, but I'm just going to start from front of the eyebrow and kind of work my way. I'm like just a line of my time. Take me to that real life. Take me for a lifetime. I've been in the dark for way too long. So my eyebrows now look like this. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. The stuff is super good. I was really surprised when I bought it because I'm one of those people that really likes like the natural no makeup type of makeup. And so yeah, I kind of bought this instead of having the Becca highlighter. Like I do have that if I want to go like more intense makeup, but yeah, I just needed something for every day, so I bought this and I'm super happy with it, so I highly recommend it. But yeah, anyway, so I'm just going to be dotting it along my cheekbone, is that what it's called? And also just on my brow bone, just under here, and just on the tip of my nose very, very lightly, because I'm not really a person that likes highlighter that much. And plus I put on the oil beforehand, so it kind of gives you that natural highlight anyway, so this just kind of enhances it a little bit to make your skin look really dewy. But yeah, and then so after I've done that, I then usually go in with this, but I'll probably be using actual mascara today just because I've got the course and I kind of want to keep that. So usually I will be using the Keratin Lip Lash Mascara. It just looks like this, and pretty much it's like a treatment for your eyelashes. It looks like you have mascara on because it kind of clumps the eyelashes together like mascara does, but the keratin in this actually like benefits your eyelashes and the growth of them and all that sort of stuff. So I usually use this, but for today I will be using my one and only, the mascara that I've been using since I was a very young girl. I'll be using the Maybelline New York Colossal Volume Express Mascara in black. I like to usually start off in the outer corners of my eyelashes, just like that, and then work my way in. And then I'm just going to apply it to my bottom lashes as well. So as I wait for that to dry, I'm just going to then go and spray it, and I usually use the Urban Decay All Nighter spray, I'm pretty sure it's called. If not, I'll put it up here. I have run out of it and I don't want to pay like 60 bucks New Zealand, so I'm just going to buy it when I'm in the States next. But for the time being, Maybelline does a really good one too, and it's called the Maybelline Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray. And yeah, it's really good. So I've been using this for like the past couple months and it's actually really good. So yeah, I'm just going to go and spray. Okay, now I'm just going to go in and just like unfuck up my bit. Sometimes I just go in with a spoolie as well, just like a plain spoolie, over the top of dried mascara, just to separate eyelashes a little bit more if it's looking a little too clumpy. But yeah, and since I'm wearing a dress that's kind of like, it shows the collarbones, I'm just going to go back in with my bronzer real quick and just kind of very lightly go under my collarbones just to show some definition. skinny go hacks. But yeah, this is also really good for blending in your foundation if you brung it too low on your neck. Yeah. And once this lip gloss is off my face, I will then usually go in with my absolute dream team lip balm, which is the Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream Nourishing Lip Balm in SPF 20, I think it is, yeah. I'll usually go in with this. This is the stuff that I use every single day, so many times a day, because I'm on some skin peel that makes my skin and lips really dry. So I'll go in with this. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe down below for more videos from myself, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.